This is the summary created from the video. Service Level Agreement. Service Level Agreements, or SLAs, govern the services provided by cloud providers to consumers, involving factors like pricing, availability, performance, and security. A service level agreement is a formal contract defining the guarantees and trust between a service provider and consumer, allowing comparison and establishing agreed upon service delivery terms like uptime percentage. SLAs define the services providers must deliver, specifying metrics to measure service quality, auditing mechanisms to monitor adherence, remedies for violations, and processes to accommodate changes over time. Web services enable communication between providers and consumers with agreed terms, using service-level agreements in XML to specify details and manage violations through the WS Agreement framework. While web service SLAs focus on response time and violations, cloud SLAs prioritize security, privacy, trust management, and automation for dynamic, scalable services. Service-level agreements have different types like non-negotiable, direct SLAs provided by public clouds, and negotiable SLAs with customized terms, defining critical elements like contract period, billing, and response time. Service-level objectives, or SLAs, objectively measure service conditions like availability, serviceability, response time, and throughput, as defined in service-level agreements. Service-level management involves monitoring SLAs, balancing responsibilities between provider and consumer based on service type, business objectives, and technical realities. Considerations for SLAs include overflow risks, business continuity, disaster recovery, data location and seizure, security concerns like encryption and isolation, and the need for transparency and third-party audits. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are low-level metrics like downtime and packet size, while SLAs are high-level objectives derived from KPIs, and SLAs integrate multiple SLAs to represent overall service performance. Monitoring metrics for SLAs include throughput, availability, reliability, load balancing, durability, elasticity, linearity, agility, automation, customer service, response time, violations, and transaction and resolution times. Different services like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS have different requirements outlined in the SLAs offered by cloud providers, covering performance and availability guarantees. Major cloud providers like Amazon, Google, Salesforce, and Microsoft offer SLAs with uptime guarantees ranging from 99% to 99% monthly or annually for services like EC2, S3, and SaaS offerings. SaaS play a crucial role when migrating to cloud computing, ensuring key parameters are measurable, business processes aren't adversely affected, and enabling personal or organizational cloud adoption. Evaluating SLAs is vital when transitioning from traditional to cloud systems, as they establish agreed service delivery terms, involve factors like pricing and performance, require automation and global resource allocation, define measurable objectives, and are monitored and audited to ensure compliance. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.